Hi, automation builders. In this video, we will see how to use image generation to attract new leads. We will go through the flow that I created for you, and I will include the template link in the description. We will see how to increase followers in exchange for image generation, and we will test out the flow to understand the customer experience. Let's get started. First, you need to make sure you have connected OpenAI. To do this, go to Settings, click on Integration, and select OpenAI. Make sure it's connected. Once you have copied the template, you will see two templates. One is for increasing followers, and the other is a standard one. We'll check the first one. This is the flow that gets triggered when anyone comments on your post. This is the starting message they will see in the DM, and you can easily change it however you want. Once they tap on the button to show interest, it will ask for their idea, which we have saved in a custom field. You can easily create your own custom field. If you don't see it, you can create your own custom field by tapping on Add New. Once you have created the custom field, you need to ensure you add that custom field in the OpenAI block, which will turn the idea into a prompt. That prompt will generate an image. Click on the block, select OpenAI, and choose Generate Image. You need to add the custom field you created and select the image size you want to generate. Then, you must create another custom field. The first custom field stores the text, but once the image is generated, it will save that image into the new custom field. After creating the new custom field, select it and continue. You have to add it to this block, which is the image block, and it will turn that image and paste it in this field to send as a message. This part is the interesting part, where you can use this as a lead magnet. You can set the timing for sending a message offering a free consultation. If they are interested, it will send them a thank you message and offer a free guide while notifying a team member. If they are not interested, we will still send them a free guide. You can either send a free guide or direct them to a website or your funnel. That's how this works. Now we will check out the next flow. This flow is also interesting because it helps you grow followers. The reason you should use this is that whoever liked your content will likely be interested in what you have to offer. In exchange, you can ask them to follow you to access premium benefits, like image generation or free guides. It's better if they follow you because they become loyal customers. This is the part where it checks if they are following you. If they are, it will start the trigger we just discussed in the previous flow. If they are not, it will ask them to follow you. This system or premium benefit is just for followers. Once they tap the option, it will check if they have followed you or not. If they have, it will start the trigger. If not, it will keep asking the same thing again and again until they do. The rest of the process is the same. Now we're going to see how it works. Once the user has commented on your post, they'll get this DM and can interact. It asks them to follow. Let's say they tap the button and say they are following. It will still check in the backend whether they follow you. Now, we tap Profile, Follow, and go back. Once it checks if we have followed, we can give the idea. Let's say, minimal house on a hill. Let's go with that. All right, it's going to take some time because it's turning the text into a prompt, and that prompt is being turned into an image. Once the image is done, it will upload the image to Instagram and send it as a message. That's why it's taking time. There you go. Now we have the image. That's how they get the image. This part can be edited by yourself. Obviously, we added it in just 3 minutes, so it's going to take some time, but that's how the whole flow works. Thank you for watching.